Hi, I'm Bryan from EcoEgo, and we're going to talk about the use of recycled cotton in the textile industry. It's great that so much focus is being put on sustainability and fashion industry, but I've noticed that more and more companies are beginning to use recycled cotton in their products. I was at the Copenhagen Fashion Fair, and there were companies saying they're revolutionizing the clothing industry by using recycled materials. And the recycled cotton that they're using is coming from the conventional cotton industry. In most cases, when recycled cotton is being used, it is not sustainable. And I want to explain why. If you take scraps from the conventional cotton industry, those scraps would normally be waste. Maybe they're going to get burned, maybe they're going to get thrown onto the garbage pile or a trash heap somewhere. But by taking those scraps and using them in a new product, you are taking materials that were produced using the same toxic chemicals as any conventional cotton item. The cotton that was grown for making that textile used the same toxic chemicals in the field, used by the same workers, and also had the same dangerous working conditions for the workers making the textiles as in the conventional cotton industry. It's the same product. You cannot call that recycled material eco-friendly just because you're taking waste and using it again. The material itself is bad for the environment and bad for the workers who are making it. Any chemicals in that are going to be transferred to the person buying that shirt or t-shirt. That's not safe for the consumer either. So we end up with something that's being called eco-friendly or sustainable just because it's using scraps, but is based on a product that is absolutely in no way sustainable. In our next video, we're going to talk about how you actually can use recycled materials that are environmentally friendly, more sustainable in products that actually can be called eco-friendly.